Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the True Cubes Clear Ice Cube Maker, which makes 4 large 2-inch wide ice cubes. So let's go ahead and open. This is what the box looks like, shows you what everything looks like, and their box says ice so clear it disappears. So let's go ahead and open it. So this part is silicone. So this part fits in here, and we have the owner's manual. It gives you instructions on how to make the ice cubes and how to remove the ice cubes, and gives you cleaning tips as well. And so as you can see, this is kind of what it looks like. And so this whole thing, from what I understand, is comes off once your ice cubes are frozen, and then you can remove this top layer, which will get your ice cubes out. And like so. So that's kind of how it is, and I'll try to make another video once I've made some ice cubes. So I'll try to make another video once I've actually made some ice cubes, and so I can show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so after about 20 hours in the freezer, here we have the final product. You can see that the ice cubes are frozen well. So what we do, as the instructions said, we take this out. The instructions said not to bang on it or try to take it out by banging on it, so I'm kind of peeling away the outer layer, because if you bang on it, it can crack the ice cubes. So the bottom is still wet, as you can see. It's like slush, but the top layer is frozen. So just want to make sure I'm not making a mess here. So I'll put this aside. So after, the way you kind of take these cubes out is you kind of stretch the sides and kind of push up on the bottom of it. And so I was able to get the other 3 cubes out, and here's the final product. Nice, very clear. So you can see here, very clear, very nice sized ice cubed. So the final product looks like this. The ice cube's very clear. You can see all the way to the bottom of the glass. I'll include a link for this specific whiskey glass as well. So very nice looking glass. So Once your drink is done, it's going to look nice and delicious like this. So it'll be a nice wow factor at any party, so you can entertain your guests. Cheers. If you'd like to purchase one of your own, please follow the link in the description below. It'll take you to this item in Amazon. If you do purchase, you'll be supporting my channel as well. Thank you for watching.